Hey, what's up everybody? In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a water hazard. And a water hazard in mini golf is just simply like a small little pond or pool or puddle or lake, whatever you want to kind of look at it. It's very simple to make, just a matter of using a little bit of extrusion, and a little bit of fillet, and then face appearance to give it that look of water. So what you have to first do is just determine where you want to put your water hazard. So in my case, I'm going to say I'm going to be putting my water hazard basically right down the center, okay, of my mini golf hole. So what I'm going to do first is come up here and go to sketch. I'm going to be picking on the face of this and then coming up here to my top view to take a look at that. All right, so when you're creating water hazards, or if you played mini golf before, the water hazards normally aren't just something that's square or circular in shape. They're actually irregular shape, just like a natural lake or pond. So in order to do this, we're going to come up here and find spline. Spline is a way to create irregular curves, and we're going to do that through a series of points, and basically everything is going to snap back to form a profile, and then we can use that profile for a feature. So I'm going to go ahead and try to keep this somewhat small. I don't want to, take up all my real estate. So, we're going to go ahead and just create with a series of points, okay, this water hazard. All right, and when I bring that all the way back to the endpoint, we can see how it sort of snapped to it. All right, and now we have our regular shape. So I'm going to go ahead and green check that. I'm going to go ahead and turn this to an isometric view. And now I can use extrude to pick on that. And I want this to obviously be removed. And I'm going to say I want the depth of my water to be 4 inches. I'm going to go ahead and just green check it. All right, so now we have our water hazard. But if you're kind of looking at it, it's just like a really abrupt sort of drop off. And I don't know about you, but anytime I played mini golf, these have been really nice, smooth, transitional, sort of edges on these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 fillets to this, and I'm basically going to split the difference of that extrusion, which was 4 inches. So I'm going to be using a fillet radius of 2 for both of these. So I'm going to come up here and go to fillet. I'm going to pick on this edge, and then I'm going to pick on this edge, and now it's asking me what I want my fillet radius to be. I'm going to say 2, and I'm just going to go ahead and green check that. And when we do that, now we can see this nice transition, okay, for that. Okay, it's going to be at the bottom as well as the top. So if the ball gets close enough, it just rolls right in. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little face appearance on this one as well. I know it's the sort of blue color right now, but I'm going to go ahead and just make this like Caribbean aqua. So I'm going to go ahead and pick on those faces, all right, to go ahead and give it that sort of, that water look I'm looking for. I can get rid of the appearance panel. But that is how simple it is just to create some sort of a water hazard.